Hey folks, if you remember a few weeks ago, I showed you how I'm growing peppers in my container garden this year. Now that it's been a few weeks since I transplanted the pepper plants, let's harvest some peppers.
greensandmachines.com.
I transplanted these pepper plants into kitty litter containers about 3 months ago. Now that they're well established, they've been producing a ton of pepper flowers. Time to pick some peppers. You may notice I do not have any support for these peppers. This is because I cut the top off of them when transplanting them, so they would grow bushier. You can see the result of that just by looking at them. In addition to the peppers, I'm harvesting some root vegetables I've grown in my containers. Here we have some beets and carrots that have been growing in these 2-gallon containers. Nothing better than fresh beets. And it's good to see these carrots came out looking like they should, too. So what did I cook with this harvest? I used some of the peppers to make an omelet with cheese. I only used one of the serranos I picked because these things are really spicy. I have very little spice tolerance, so I question why I even grow these peppers in the first place. The carrots I ate raw, and the beets I sliced up and grilled. It's not easy to slice raw beets, let me tell you. Be sure to subscribe if you like this video for more gardening videos and videos of what to cook from the harvests. If you're curious on how to grow your own peppers, check out the video here. We'll see you in the next video.